Open the PDF and access your template. To get started, open the PDF you received after your purchase. Inside that PDF, you'll see a big button that says, "Click here to access your template." Click it, and Canva will open in your browser. Make sure you're already logged into your Canva account. If this is your first time using Canva, don't worry, it's super easy and free. Once the page loads, you'll see your editable invitation ready for you to personalize. Now, let's start customizing. Upload your photo and insert it into the frame. To personalize the invitation, let's add your photo. On the left panel in Canva, click on Uploads. Then Upload Files, and choose the picture you want to use from your device. After it finishes uploading, just drag it into the photo frame. Canva will automatically crop and center the photo to fit the space. You can adjust it a little by double-clicking the image if needed. And that's it, your photo is now perfectly in place. Add YouTube music link. To add music to your invitation, go to YouTube and choose a song you love. Copy the link from your browser. Back in Canva, select the music play icon on the invitation. Then, click the link button in the top right and paste the YouTube link. Now here's an important part. We don't want the actual YouTube link to show on the invitation. To make it invisible, click the link icon again, and then lower the transparency to 0, set it to 100% invisible. This way, only the music icon will be visible, and the link won't show at all. When guests click the icon, it will open the song in a new tab, Real-Time Countdown Timer. Now, let's add a real-time countdown so your guests know exactly how many days are left until the big day. Open a browser and go to tickcounter.com. Click on Create a Countdown and give your countdown a name like My Quinceañera. Then, choose the exact date and time of your event. You can also customize the look, pick a font, colors, and even change the background to match your invitation's style. Preview it and make sure everything looks great. Now, click Embed and copy the HTML code. Back in Canva, go to Apps and choose Embed. Then, paste the code. You'll now see the timer appear on your design. Adjust the size and position it wherever you like, usually where the countdown placeholder is. This adds a super cool live effect your guests will love. Google Maps link for location. Let's add your party's location. Open Google Maps and search for the venue or address of the event. Once you find it, copy the URL from the top of your browser. Then, return to Canva and click on the Open Maps button on your invitation. Click the link button in the top right corner and paste your Google Maps link. Now your guests can simply click the button and get directions instantly. It makes things so much easier for everyone. RSVP form with Google Forms. To make RSVPs simple, we'll use Google Forms. Start by going to forms.google.com and create a blank form. Give it a title like Quinceañera RSVP. Then add your questions, for example. What is your name? How many people will attend? Do you have any food allergies? And so on. You can add, remove, or edit questions as you like. Next, go to Settings. And under Responses, make sure to allow responses from anyone with the link so no one is blocked. Once everything's ready, click Send, then copy the link. Go back to Canva, click the RSVP button on your invitation, and paste the link using the link button at the top. Your guests will now be able to confirm attendance directly through the form. Export RSVP responses to Google Sheets. To see who's coming, open your Google form and go to the Responses tab. Click the green Sheets icon. This will create a Google Sheet where all your RSVP responses will appear in real-time names, number of guests, and more, all neatly organized. Change the color of elements. Want to match the invitation with your party's color theme? Let's go over how to change the colors. Start with text. Click the text box, then use the color tool in the top menu to choose your preferred color. Easy. For shapes and icons, click on them, and then click the color tile to select a new one. Some elements like decorations or glitter graphics might not show a color option. In that case, select the element, click Edit Photo, and scroll down to Duotone. Click See All, choose a duotone effect, and then click the settings icon. Now, change both the highlight and shadow colors to match your palette. This lets you recolor decorative elements that otherwise wouldn't be editable. You can even adjust the intensity of the effect to make it look more natural. Take your time and try different color combinations until it all looks exactly the way you want it. This step makes your invitation truly yours. Publish your invitation as a website. Once your invitation is ready, it's time to publish it as a website so you can share it with your guests. In Canva, go to the top right corner and click the Share button. Then, select More and scroll until you find the option Website. Click on it, and you'll see different styles. Choose Presentation or Scrolling, depending on how you want your guests to view it. Now, you'll be asked to pick a name for your site. This will be the custom link your guests use to access the invitation. Type a unique and simple name, like Maria Quince 2025 or SoFi X Vinvite. Click Publish, and Canva will generate a free website link you can copy and send via WhatsApp, email, or text. That's it! Your invitation is now live and ready to be shared.